Last week I asked you to basically create an artwork out of this coin here. Let's look at the first submission here by Afluke3. And yeah, this was the first one that came in, and I really liked the idea of the coin being this portal, like him using the star shape on the coin to like use it as a portal for Mario Kart, right? For the Rainbow Road to come out of. All right, next up we got Marie Onhart. Yeah, we actually worked on this together for a little bit. I helped her to like add the particles and the depth of field. I did these two renders, like this one I started with, and then I just animated it a little bit to change, get something where everything moved forward a little bit in time. And then I basically fed it into Dream Machine, and with a few versions I got this result here. And yeah, I like it, I think it works. Very cinematic art gallery, just generic art gallery. It looks very nice though. I think it's rendered in Unreal Engine probably. There we got the coin. He just punches the glass up. It's a little jump in. Oh, nice. And I mean, that's just damn cute, right? This little, what even is this? Cat weasel thing. Dollar coins roll in, and then jumps up. I think it's pretty satisfying, like how it was in, and then it suddenly jumps up. Yeah, I like the mood a lot. It feels a little bit like a little Five Nights at Freddy's like, but definitely more modern. Like, graphically it looks much better, for sure. See, he used the coin to put it on the screen. It's also pretty unique. It's not anything anyone else has done. Oh, I see. Okay, so you were working on this already, and then you just like added the coins to make it complete. I see. I mean, honestly, if I gotta be honest, the coins feel a little out of place here.
I know it is very bad.
It's not bad. It's just like like what you wrote. It felt to me that way a little bit, where you like made a artwork and then you found the coin asset and like peppered it in there. We have from Adroid, and I can see he already has a lot of likes. Ooh, very nice close-up of the coin. Who's this fellow? Oh, that fire's nice. Interesting reflection shot. That's a really nice shot. They're both attacking the coin. I think they're just like screaming at each other probably. Yeah, they definitely want to get that coin.
In the middle of the project I realized I don't have that much time left, so I just went with like...
I mean, there's a lot I like about it, with like the environment and the characters and like the setup of them like fighting for the coin. Okay, cool. But we all voted, and the winner is... yeah, it's Adroid! Congratulations, Adroid! You won the first weekly challenge. Speech, do you want to thank anyone? Do you want to say anything for your win?
I mean, like, I had a lot of time constraint doing this. Like, I had a big idea to do this. Like the two monsters or some kind of, like this big monster, his name is like Victor, he's got to like defend the coin, and the people got to come in there. So pretty much,
okay.
But due to the time constraint, I was not able to like pull off the whole story. So I just ended up in between, like with an animation shot covering that. Yeah.
So she's kind of like a thief. She broke into this system.